Oh. Hi, Leather Rokk here. Boy, is it hot. That's why my hair's tied up. I kind of want to put it down because I like it better down, but it's so cool and comfortable. Well, it's not cool and comfortable, but it's cool this way. I am making a video about something that I have that I'm going to open up for you. This is a pearl, and as you probably know, pearls come out of oysters. And look what I have. Got this from a friend. This is for Scorpios, and it comes with a chain and a pendant, and you're supposed to take the pearl out of the oyster and put it in a pendant. And let's hope I can open this up without making a big mess and spilling it all over my laptop. I couldn't rehearse this because it's got packaging and I wanted to actually do the unboxing. Maybe I should show you the back. It says Scorpio. Passion, desire, and power go hand in hand for Scorpios. Their biggest challenge and test in life is choosing between the power of love and the love of power. Coming to grips with their extraordinary emotional depths and sensitivity isn't easy for those around them. A strong theme throughout their life is to merge deeply with others in a way that allows them to experience emotional intensity. Reputed to be the most powerful sign of the Zodiac, Scorpios lead faith-filled lives and have intense and dramatic personal relationships. And that thing that just fell on me was a termite. Yeah, termites are eating up my apartment. Okay, and it says in here, a shimmering love pearl awaits you to brighten your everyday mood. A perfect gift to yourself and your loved one. Before opening the container, make a wish and enjoy wisdom, success, health, wealth, and love. That each unique pearl. Well, obviously, whoever wrote the typing for this, English was not their first language. Not that I'm being critical. I'm going to let you see a close-up of this. Apparently, depending on what the color of the pearl is what it's supposed to signify. Now, I am a Scorpio, and I am very much into metaphysics. I wouldn't go so far as to say that depending on the color is what the energies are going to attract, but that's what the packaging says. Now, let's take a look at all this stuff here. Okay, this is, first of all, I'm going to show you the pendant, and it is this little, it's a scorpion, and this is kind of like a cage that when I harvest the pearl, I'm going to put it in this, and it comes with a chain, and the chain has a stamp on it. And now let's see the actual pearl itself. Okay, see this? It's now there's a note in here warning that it's not for children and not to drink it. It says, do not eat. Mollusk is not edible. Do not drink. Liquid contains 25% alcohol. Children should be supervised when opening can and mollusk. If swallowed accidentally, consult your doctor immediately. Well, I'm not a dumbass. And anyway, I don't drink anymore, so. And you know what? I bet it wouldn't even be grain alcohol. It's probably isopropyl alcohol, which is very toxic. And let's see where it's Dong Hui is the manufacturer. And some of this lettering is kind of too small for me to see without squinting, and squinting causes wrinkles, and nobody wants that, especially not me. So, okay. Oh, and there's two little, tiny little tongs that are supposed to help me open this up. I just hope I don't spill it on my computer because I will be very grumpy if I do. Okay, here we go. Here, maybe I should. It's not over the keyboard. Okay. Ooh. And not anywhere where the cat can investigate. Okay, do you see this? Oops. Oh, I'm spilling it. Just what I was afraid of happening, people. Okay, I'm gonna let this fall into the wastebasket. Or you know what? I should find something else to put the liquid in. See, I don't rehearse these things that I can't rehearse. This is live, folks. Okay, I'm going to drain the alcohol off into that. I'm not going to have it near the exhaust thing on my computer because alcohol is flammable. Even though if it's only 25% alcohol, then there should be enough water that it wouldn't burn. Okay, look at the shell. I'm going to put my hand underneath it so it doesn't drip on my keyboard. See? Ooh. And it's still dripping. Alright, now let's see how these tongs work. I don't know if I'm supposed to manipulate them like chopsticks or what. I don't know. How do you think I'm supposed to open this? You know what? I'm going to use my fingernails. Oh, darn it. And I didn't want to break the shell, really. See that? The shell is breaking. I did not want to break the shell. Yeah. You know, I don't know exactly what the title for this video is. Maybe it should be Watch Leather Rokk Make a Mess. Now, I don't understand these things. Okay, see what I'm doing here? Oh. Okay. You know what? I don't know how these things are supposed to be working. You see what's going on so far? You know what? If I have to get desperate, if I can't get this to open up anyway, I just may have to smash the son of a bitch. Okay. Want to watch? I hope this isn't going to be a disaster. I don't know how anybody else opened these things. Hey, you know, I am a Scorpio and I'm getting impatient. Oh, look. Here, maybe I should turn the light out. There, this is his dead body. Oh, damn it. Well, hold on. Okay. I'm going to put the light back on. This is the pearl. And it's like a champagne color. And of course it fell into a plastic shoebox that has all kinds of bullshit. But again, this is the dead body of our dead friend. And you know, when I first saw this, I was afraid this is one of those things with the live animals that are trapped in, like, they have keychains that they sell in China that have usually frogs or fish, different things, and it's obviously very cruel to do, but the animal was dead before they did this. I just hope they didn't suffer putting alcohol in them, because I do worry about the morality and whether these things are humane. But this is the pearl, and you know, it occurred to me I didn't do my nails before going on video. That kind of was unprofessional. I mean, I really don't kind of care about my nails because I play guitar and stuff, but they do look better on camera. Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to... Oh, okay, this opens, the hinge opens right up. And I guess you put the pearl right here and you close the hinge. Can you even see it? You got to look in the center cutout. Oh God, these nails look so hideous. I really should have done them before filming. And I can't do this over, obviously. Okay, oh my goodness, it is so hot. I think it was supposed to be 89 degrees today or something. And because it wasn't supposed to rain today, and it didn't rain today, I had to water my garden. And I went to feed and water my street cat friends, and there were no cats around, so I put water down for them, but I didn't leave food because when I leave food for the cats, I like to see cats actually eating it. I don't want dogs to eat it. I don't want flies to get on it. I don't want cockroaches to get in it. I don't want the food to be eaten by anybody but the cats that I'm trying to feed. And plus, when I feed the cats, I get to take a look at them, count them, find out if there's any baby making going on. I still intend to do some spaying and neutering, but it's really hard when almost everybody there around there are immigrants that don't speak English. And it's really hard when you can't communicate with people because they won't learn the language. And we're having increasing problems with that, with people that come here and they don't learn the language, and that really kind of sucks because you need to be able to communicate with each other. Okay. Okay, this is my new pearl. So, oh, and I guess I should see what this is supposed to signify now. Cream for success. Yes, 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 yes. All right, that's what I really want. That's really what I want. Okay, white's for wisdom, cream's for success, peach is for health, purple is for wealth, black is for love. You know what? All those things are good. Okay, I should probably wish for health the most because if you don't have health, nothing else matters and you can't appreciate anything else. But you know what? I really do want success. I have some dreams that I really need to realize. There are things that I really want to do with my life, and I have only accomplished a few things, and there's so much that I want to do. Can't we all say that, right? I mean, I want to go back to Hollywood and be the star that I was supposed to be. Okay, before I close this video, I am going to take the clips out of it and take my hair down because I really do prefer the look of my hair when it's down. But you know, you got to understand when it's got no air conditioning and it's like 89 degrees. I don't know what the temperature is right now because right now I'm filming this, it's exactly 4:29 a.m. and I have to film pretty much late at night because it tends to be when it's quietest. Even though the way people have been hooting and hollering out my window tonight, I actually had to ask a group of drug dealers that were hanging out right underneath my window, and they were talking very loudly, and they were saying what they were selling, their bags or whatever, and how their customers were or whatever. And I finally stuck my head out. Well, I didn't stick my head out the window, but I said, excuse me, I can hear everything you're saying, and if you don't want to be part of the background of a YouTube video, I highly suggest you move it on down the road. You know what? They moved it on down the road. I mean, really, I don't want to hear that stuff in the background when I'm doing my videos, you know? It's kind of bullshit. Alright. So, my hair is down. I feel like normal. You know, I didn't even go to the club tonight because the only thing that was going on around me was that rap crap, and I just don't want to deal with it. But I made my video tonight, which is really the most important thing I had to do. So, that is my new pearl, and you got to see me open it up, and we learned that when tongs won't work, a hammer does. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like me, please do subscribe. Hit the bell and you'll never miss a post. I post 3 times a week, and I'd love to have you join my family. Till then, talk to you soon. Bye.